right? So invoice payment status report is done. Now this is the new report. It is a cleared invoice report. How many invoices are cleared? Okay. This report is used to develop how many invoices has been cleared when we have received the receipt from the suppliers. Amount remaining should be zero. That comes under cleared invoice. Understood? So this report is going to helping to the users how many invoices are we make the payment to the suppliers. Fully make the payment. Okay. So what are the things? Invoice number, invoice amount, invoice type, PO number, supplier name, outstanding amount. Outstanding amount is nothing but how much pending amount is there for the supplier. Invoice currency code. These are, it's very basic columns. Okay. Total number of cleared invoices. So try to make the SQL query for this report, all of you. Okay. And today we will going to see yesterday what is the report we done. That report level we'll going to add it the parameters. I hope it is clear. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Now we'll going to yesterday we done some report. The report we'll going to open the report and then okay, open the report builder. So here is the SQL query. So this is the query we are going to prepare yesterday. Right. So in this, yesterday what happened? We are going to hard coded the PO number. So now today what we can do, we're going to remove the hard coded value and then we will run it. Now I want to add some parameters to this report. Okay. See here. Here we can see everything is same. So some amount is different, but here it is remaining everything is same. So it should be a duplicate. So again we need to add it some conditions for this. So it's not correct. This is whenever you are going to see in for particular PO, it's correct. But if you are going to see, is it going to user will accept this report, will not going to accept, because see if you are going to able to see this, everything is some duplicate data is coming here. So you need to fix this duplicate data. Let me. So one thing people will going to do, if you put distant here, so it is not recommended distant. Okay, now you can see. Now it is a unique. All the information is it is a unique. Okay. Fine. It's not recommended the distant keyword. You need to find where the join is missed out. That join you need to put it the proper that way. Okay. Well, some people will going to put it the distant also, but no one will going to looking the SQL query who is putting the distant or not putting the distant. But the thing is, user want to look the code, the data, how the data is coming. Is the data is correct or not? Okay, right? Now payment status, I want to put it as a parameter. How I can add the payment status as a parameter? Any idea? Payment status, I want to put the parameter. What is this? APL description. equal to, now you can add the parameter. This is now, so what I want to do, and condition APL payment equal to P underscore payment status. Payment status. Clear? So now what I can do? Now simply we are going to executing this, passing the parameter, we will get this much. So now, can you suggest me how I can modify this report now? So already our report is running. Now your user is going to asking to add extra functionality in the payment status report. How we will going to add this now? I open my RDF. Can anybody suggest me how I can do this change now? Okay.
You can
Simply
add one parameter.
1 second. Simply they are going to, even you don't know the report also. Okay. Simply they are going to giving the report name. Understood? So this is the report name. They are asking to add a parameter. The parameter is invoice payment status. Payment status parameter. They are giving this report name. So what you will do now? Any idea?
The first step is we will pull that report from the particular top to
Right.
our local machine.
Please add the,
Then
please, yeah, 1 second. Please add the payment status. Okay. Payment status parameter on this report. That's enough. So you need to do it. Tell me the step.
yeah, I was saying we should pull this report, original
Corey,
report from particular top.
how did you know which top it is stored?
Now it is stored in PO top.
Pardon?
It's stored in PO top now.
How you say it is stored in PO top?
You can go to that um, report and see
Right.
the concurrent request group.
1 second. Query the concurrent program. Okay. Query the
Yeah.
concurrent program. Okay. And copy the executable name. Okay. Copy the executable name. And then next, query the executable. Query the concurrent executable. And then copy the executable file name. Copy the executable file name and see the application name. Okay. And then next, connect to WinSAP and go to respective tab and then US reports folder. So download that. Next, what you can do? Download the RDF.
The reports or any of the code will be under US folder only. Means if we implement.
Only reports and forms. Only
Okay.
reports and forms is the in US folder. Okay. Download the RDF report. Okay. And next what we can do, open the RDF. And then next, now do the changes. Understood? These are the steps you need to perform. So coming to here, here already I know my report, but always it is recommended, even if you know your report also, don't copy it from, don't open the RDF in local machine directly. Understood? Why? Why I'm going to telling them like that? If I open directly this, okay, and now I'm going to APPO analysis report. Here it is, some invoice payment status report is I open now. Why I'm saying don't open the report from directly in local machine? Is there any idea?
Report corruption.
No, it is working fine. The local, you only developed, see, suppose you developed into the 1 week back, okay? One report is developed in 1 week back. Now user is going to, some changes are required. Could you please do that change? What you will do? So you only developed complete from scratch to ending. So next what you will do? So are you going to open directly in your local machine? What is the RDF? It is there, that RDF you are opening and doing the changes. Tell me.
If you download from the particular top, it will be better because it will always ensure that you will download the latest code from
Correct.
production.
Exactly. Always, whenever you are going to doing any changes in the any object, okay, let me write. Whenever, okay, whenever you are doing any changes, any object, okay, please pick the latest code. Please pick the latest code from production. Got it? Okay. Yes, you only developed your object. Okay, that is only 1 week back. So in the meantime, you don't know, right? Someone maybe changed it. Okay. So what will happen if you take in your local object, local machine object? So what are the changes those people done? All are gone. Understood? So that is the reason it's preferable always pick the objects, pick the code from latest code from the production. Okay? Clear? All of you clear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Now go to your instance. It moved into AP top. Reports US
But
folder.
Koti,
Yeah.
do we have access to production environment
Yeah, they will give.
in real scenario?
Yes. Production means application they will not give. Understood? So whatever the application
Okay.
is there, right? So this application they will not give. This production instance application they will not give. Okay? They will give the
Okay.
WinSP access.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah.
Or else recently cloned version they will give. Recently cloned version they will give. Okay? So here it is now XXGOL. So this is invoice payment status report. Now wherever you want you can move it now, and then you can start on your changes. This is the way to do it, the changes. Be careful, okay? Now you can move into your local mission. So Now, yes, already it is there, it is overwriting. Now you mode, and then now you can open your RDF. And one more is, now you are doing changes, right? Always keep the backup for that file. Now I moved, okay? Take the backup of this file again and do the some changes. Why you need the backup? So something, if you are going to doing the changes, something it is happening after that, so immediately we'll move the original piece. Got it? Original object, you will move it. If it is everything is working fine, no issues. If it is not working, so immediately we'll going to move into the production. It's not only the RDF, any object, take the backup and then do the changes. Okay, this is going to strongly recommended thing. Right now, so now you can do the changes. So what are the changes you want to do? You can open and then you can add your parameter here. So whatever the parameter you want to add, simply you can add it your parameter. So I added my parameter here. So you can remove this constant value. You can, instead of removing, comment it. Always don't remove it. Comment and add it. I'm going to adding. Now here you need to write a comment here. You added Koteshwar. Okay. Koteshwar, added Koteshwar on date, today date, 14th May. Okay, sorry, 14th June 18. Okay, 18. Due to the what is the request mail they were going to put it? Okay, some ticket number or okay, TIK 1412 like this. So they will give it, right? So like this we have to put. So what will happen? Here also you need to put it. Commented by Koteshwar on 14th 14th June 18 due to this change request. People are understood. Commented.
Yeah.
Commented by Koteshwar on 14th okay June. It's 18. It's a TIK 1412. So what will happen now if you are doing like this way? Who will going to change next level? So they will going to check it. Yes, this is going to happen. This thing, this change is happened. This thing, this change is happened. When it is happened, when it is added, when it is commented, when it is deleted. These changes are very important. Like this way, understood? Okay. So you can click on OK now. Even packages, procedures. Okay. You have to do it like this way.
We have to add distinct over there as well.
Correct. Let me add it. Yeah, see now your parameter is added. So you can add it distant also. Okay, done. Even if you add one column also, you need to put a comment. Understood? Why you are going to adding? Even if you are putting where condition also, everything you have to put like this way. Right. Now your parameter, user parameter, if you go there, you can see this is your one. Now you can save it your save and then compile. compile and again you can save it. Now it is saved. Next what we can do? Next you can go into move your RDF. So here it is, always refresh it. Check it your changes is happened or not. Your date and time, if you look at, yeah, it is same time. So now you can move into your RDF. Okay, done. It's moved. It's over, right? It's moved. It's over, right? And then now, so then next you can go and change your registration level also. Where we have to change? Go to application developer. Go to application developer and then concurrent program. Can anybody tell me here what we need to do now? Concurrent program level. What we need to do?
You have to create assign that token to that parameter.
Right. Add the
You have to create
parameter.
a parameter and
Right.
yeah.
So query your concurrent program and then you can add it your parameter. So go to parameters. Sequence is 10 and then parameter is payment status. Invoice payment status. Okay. So there it is. Just I'm putting 10 characters as of now. Will add it into the independent. Token should be matched. Token should be matched to this. Same exactly what it is there. So you need to give it the exact. So you can select it this. So you can now next it is going to, you can save it. Okay. Now it is required or not required? It is required because it's a mandatory parameter. Okay. Then next what we have to do now, you need to one value set is required. Independent value set you can put it, or dependent value set also fine. Let me create a application, then validation set. Now here we can going to XX GOL invoice payment status. Invoice payment underscore status. Okay.
Okay,
Max
what is value set?
value set is a list of values. Okay, we're going to cover different session level all the value sets. Normally here we are going to creating some independent value set here. Okay, this is going to independent value set. I'm putting size is 30. It is independent. Okay, now I saved it. My value set is created. Now you can enter your values into this independent value set. Go to values. In the values level, you can put your value set and find that. Here you can enter your values. Sir, what are the values, sir? The values are, this is, 3 values are coming, right? Fully paid, partially paid, not paid. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those three values, only we have three values, so that is the reason you will going to take only these three values. Okay, now it is fully paid value set. We are going to create fully paid and then not paid, partially paid. Okay, this lookup level also you can pick it. Okay, if it is not, then partially paid is there. I think it's not there, but it's required. Okay. Okay, let me, the exact names you have to take. Okay, if it is fully paid, partially paid, you can take partially paid. Now you can take it, this partially paid also. So partially paid, is it correct, or let me check now again. Okay, what is the table it is coming from? APL. This is only right.
AP
So
lookup codes.
right,
Yeah.
so this is the one. You can check it. If you are giving wrong value, na, then it will not work again. What is the type? This,
Where invoice APL lookup type is equal to invoice payment status.
right. So where? So exactly same value you need to pass it. Or else you can create a table value set also. That I will going to teach you next level. Okay, don't worry. Let me know. Save it. This is a independent value set I created. It is not coming from the database. Whatever the independent values you have, here it is coming those values. Now copy your value set name and go into your concurrent program. Okay, concurrent program, query your what is this, XX GOL invoice payment status report. So go to here, put into your value set here. Got it. So it is saved. Now here display size also no need, 30 is enough. So now these changes are done. Now you can go and submit your program. Now switch to payable, view, submit a new request, single request, and paste into this. Right. See now, Sachin, are you understood why value set is required now?
Yes, yes. We can give a set of values into that.
Right. So now you are going to selecting your fully paid. So what will happen? This fully paid is going to is assigning the parameter is passing to here, not here in report level. So what will happen in the exact that requirement output will come. Okay, fine. You are going to submit. Click on no. Click on fine. Okay, it's completed. View output. Why only one it is coming? I moved it, right? No, that hard coded PO only it is coming. Let me check. I changed it, everything. Let me 1 second. We are commented this. Okay. And then even we are going to, okay, 1 second. Yeah, that's why see, we are going to moving. Let me check again. When it is saved, this is
We have moved because it is asking parameter means it we have already moved the file. Otherwise,
hmm,
it would have not asked us the
correct.
parameter, right?
Let me. Otherwise, we will remove it completely. Sometimes this comment will not work. Here it is. We commented, right? Hard coded value. Let me anyhow. I will going to remove this. Okay, and we'll try now. So that is you are added, right? So it is not. We'll try now. Okay, go. Completed. We'll see now. Hey, what happened? 5392.
We have selected not paid. Not
Not
paid
also.
we
It's
have
so
selected.
many. It is there, right? Even not also. So many. It is there, right? You understood?
Okay.
Let me 1 second. Not paid also. So many records are there. Right. See now. Not paid. So many. It is there, right? It should come. So
Mhm.
many. Not paid. See how many records are there? 68 records are there. So it should come 68 records. See here, total number of invoices 51, but printing is not done. Understood? Total number of invoices are coming 51. Got it?
Mhm. Mm.
Total number of POs are also coming 51, but why the output is not printed? So due to some issue
We
in,
have to create
uh,
a repeating frame over there
right, where?
in
Where?
template.
Yes, you have to go there template. How did you change the template? Go to XML publisher. home template. Padmini and Shabanathan following, right? So what we are going to discussing. Please let me know if any doubt. So I
Yes, sir.
passed the template name and then I clicked it. Then open template name. And then next what you need to do? You need to download your RTF layout. Open your RTF layout. Maybe some for loop is missed out. Yes. See? For each condition is missing here. That is the reason it is not coming. So end command is coming. So you can see E. E is the end, end for each. End for each. So you need to put it for each group condition. You need to add it here. That is normally will not going to miss out. But how it is missed out, we will see now. What is that? Insert a field. You can see there. Okay, you need to load the data first. Load XML data. Where we moved. Go to okay. So now you loaded the XML data again. See, this is also RTF layout change. How to do the layout change already existed one. It is very, very important. Okay. Where is
I
your
think data is stale over there. We have not saved the refresh. We have not saved the refresh data. Like
no
we
no
have
no need
created
no need no no need
multi-row
no need no need no need 1 second. Actually, I
because
need
yesterday
pardon.
we had selected only one row. Yesterday we had selected only one row,
That's
so you
fine.
might
That's
not
fine.
have
That's fine.
created.
That's fine. No problem. Let me give me a second. I want only group column. That's why I did. Okay.
Okay.
I need a only group column. Okay. So now here I am trying to putting for condition. Let me close it. Here it is. My group column should required. Okay. Now here we have to put it for condition, but normally when you are inserting all, it should come. Okay, it should come that. But how it is missed out, we need to cross check that also again. Properties. Okay, select the properties. Here it is going to for condition. For should be it will going to start F. Okay. So here it is for each, right? So for now suppose if you don't know the syntax, what you can do, Sachin? Tell me. Go to manual. Okay. See, people don't know if you manual open your XML guide and then you can go into so control F for each. Okay, 1 second. For each means you need to write it syntax level. For okay, you have to write it like this way. For for each colon your group column name. Understood? If you want to exact column also, you can try it. You can get it that also. See now, G underscore vendor name for each. So in the similar way for each, now colon. So you can do it. Your group column. What is your group column here? How do you know that? If you go into RDF also, you can see what is your group column. G underscore. This is invoice number. So if you are not seen here, if you go there, here also you can see. So here also what we can see, you can go into insert field. See now, G underscore invoice number. This is your group column. Got it? So the same column you can put it. This is your group column. Copy your group column. XML tag you need to copy. XML tag you copied. Now, so this XML tag you can copy and close it and go to there your RTF layout. You can close this also and go to where it is coming. Something is happened here. Right. So this is for right. For so then uh, uh, no, what happened? This is where it is gone. One second. Actually, I clicked it to double click on that. Let me. Where is your for condition? Let me copy again. Okay. This is the one. So simply we will going to so this is your for condition. Okay, it should be a for. So this should be for each and for each, right? So I copied from and for each. That is the reason it is for each. Okay. Next colon your group column. What is your group column? G
G
underscore
invoice
invoice
number.
number. This XML tag you need to put it. This is the one. Done. Now you can add it and then click on OK. Done. Now no need any changes. Now simply save as. Save as. Where you want to save, you can go there. E folder. Okay. So now I am going to trying to same way the same report name I am going to save it. Replace the existing file. Yes. I saved it. Next what I need to do? Upload your RTF layout. Browse. Now your RTF layout. Click on apply. So now next what we need to do? Next go and submit your concurrent program. Payables. View. Request. Submit a new request. Single request. XXGOL. tab it, and then now not paid invoices I want to pick. Okay, submit a new request, single request, click on find, completed, and then now you can see. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, yes. We got it.
Uh,
Yeah.
Padmini, are you clear this
Yeah.
completely? Okay,
Yeah.
right. So there it is, per condition is missed. That is the reason it is not not repeating the other output. Understood? So if you come down the end of the record, you can see this. So this is the way you can do it, your reports. Understood? So now, so I hope what are the changes we done in the RDF level? What are the changes you are done in the RTF level? Okay, and how you perform. I hope you people are understood. Now suppose my user is asking PDF output. What you can do now? This is Excel output,
Instead of
right? PDF output they are
Excel,
asking now.
choose PDF.
How? Where we can choose?
Yesterday, when you said XML report, there was
No, no.
another one in which you chose Excel.
That is the default, right? See, normally every day I want in Excel only. Unfortunately, one day is going to asking the PDF. Got my point? If you are going to changing there, daily it will come PDF again. So that is the reason. Go to options. Here you can change it. Only temporarily, whatever you want. Okay, temporarily. Only this single submission only it is taking PDF now. No, and then refresh it. Got my point? Go to options. Right, it's completed. Then view output. See, this is your PDF output. Clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay. So like this way you can see on your PDF output. Right? It's looks fine, right? So like this way it is going to
Yeah.
working. Now next thing is, so what are the view details you can see here? Where what is the program name? What are the parameters? Okay. And when you submitted the program, when it is completed the program, okay, who is the requester, who is submitted the program, these all details you can see here. Okay, so this options is, it's very important. Options level, suppose if you want to temporarily want to change the language or you want to change the format, then you can change it. Okay, so this is the way. So here it is, there is no printer, so that is the reason it will not enter. If it is printer also configured into the our application, automatically this output went for the printing also. Okay, keep on mind that is. And one more thing also there. So that is, suppose now your user is asking to submit on every day you want to submit this program. What we can do? Your user want every day they want to submit this program every day. They don't want to do it manually. Automatically every day by 10 o'clock they want to submit this program. How? So for this scheduling, we're going to see next level. How to schedule the program. Okay? Right.
Mhm.
So any questions, please ask me.